Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, TiflyDesigns. Today we are going to work with color, and I'm using the Brusho, at least I think that's how you say it, crystal colors, and actually comes in powder form and some very vibrant colors, and all you need is a little bit of the powder and it goes a long way. So we're going to use the powder, and I'm going to choose some colors, use the powder, create some backgrounds, and then I'm going to share the cards that I created using the backgrounds that to be did. And then at the end, we're going to play with some distress ink, and as you can see from the title of the video, it's called color play, and every week we'll have some kind of color play or some kind of play. Could be with embossing powder, it could be with watercolor, it could be with whatever medium, and we'll create some cards, and I hope you guys like. Once you add the powder, we're going to spray our background with water, and as you can see, the water does the work. The water and the powder does the work by itself. You don't really need to do anything, just keep adding the powder and adding water, and when it gets to the point where you like what you see, then that's it. And I just want to go back to say, please use gloves, because at first I didn't, and it stained my fingers, so I had to go and scrub my my hands off at the end of the video. But please use gloves while you're working with the color, and that's it really. I'm just gonna keep working it until it gets to where I love it, and then we'll show the cards that I made. Once my piece was dried, I thought what I created looked like the bottom of the sea. Very pretty. So I used a bunch of stamp sets to color some images and just add it to my background, and it looked like a very pretty kind of coral reef kind of thing. And these are the two cards I created. I actually had enough to make two cards. For the next background, I'm going with some dark colors. At first I wanted to do something circular because I was thinking space, but all the colors just meshed together and it just went crazy with the circle thing. So I just continued and added more powder, more color, more water until I got to where I liked it. Once the first layer dried, I actually sprayed water in my hand and made huge droplets of water. As you can see, the water reacted again and took pretty much color away. So it kind of went the way I sort of imagined it, and I just figured I'll leave it that way, and I'm just gonna let it dry. And I got this pretty what you call this again? Cutting board from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, one of them. It's been a while since I got it, but it's so pretty. I love it. So these are the two cards that I created with my background. As you can see, I used a die from Lawn Fawn to create the stars in the background. Three stamp sets that are joined together. That's from TiflyDesigns, from My Favorite Things. The Alloway. I love that spaceship right there, although I believe that company is out of business. And then I used that little alien also from TiflyDesigns. I just created a space theme, and I love that little space guy. And just added all my little colored images, and that's it. My little green alien guy is in the corner. So cute. And these are the two cards that I created. I'm going to use them as birthday cards for kids, and I thought it was so cool. Didn't know where I was going with this one. I just started adding colors, purples, oranges, yellows. I love to see those colors together. And eventually I thought it looked like sunset scene, or like very calm scene where the sun has gone down, I guess. And I created a card after seeing the end result. Once my background was dried, it kind of muted down a little. As you can see, we have some bright purple and oranges and yellow. And I just use a couple dyes. This is from Mama Elephant, the background. And then the tree I've had for a long time. And it's so cool. So I use that on both sides of the card. The part that I cut off on the right, I actually added on the left. Then this stamp set from Lawn Fawn. I have the dies for this one, so I used it to cut out the giraffe silhouette. For this part of the color play, I used the stencil from Simon Says Stamp and a bunch of my distress inks, and I'm just going to use the stencil. I didn't even tape it down because I want the colors to kind of blend at the end of them, so it kind of blends to each other, and I just keep going changing colors to create my cute little circle background. From this background came this cute little baby card. It says, "Welcome baby, congratulations." And I used the stamp set from Paper Smooches. I had the stamp set for a while, and I love that image with the elephant and the little baby elephant entwined together. And then I use this Dynamics die from My Favorite Things. And for the piece that I cut off, I just used it to make another baby card. As you can see, I added below the little baby elephant. It says, "Welcome sweet new baby." I just colored her with some Copic markers. And this is our cute 2 baby cards that came from the distress background. And this stamp is from Whimsy Stamps. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I will check, and I believe it is though. And this stamp set is from Mama Elephant. For this next background, I use distress inks again, and also with a combination of the same stencil from the previous card. I'm just adding color and all sloppy, you don't know rhyme or reason, just keeps going. But at the end, the card I made kind of covered up a lot of the background I created. But I still love it, still love the look of it, and I hope you guys like. I used the stencil to add more color, but it just didn't go the way that I wanted it to. So I add the stencil again and use a wet baby wipe, super wet baby wipe, so I can take away some of the color. And I just went over the stencil, and this was the end result. For this card, I colored a very cute image from Kenny K. And this stamp I actually had purchased at Whimsy Stamps a couple of years ago, and I still love these stamps. I have a bunch of them with different little girls, fly girls I should say, and I believe you can go to Kenny K's website and get like the DG or stamp. I gotta check that out, but she is so cute, super cute, and I just colored her up, add some little stones, add my sentiment, and that's it for my final card. I thought she's so cute. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and let me know which card was your favorite or which background was your favorite in the comment below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.